Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 to a small USB drive so you can install this on a different computer. So this is very easy to do. So the first thing we want to do is open up File Explorer. And once we have this opened up, locate this PC on the left. So I'm just going to close these down, go to this PC, and then go to your drive you want to install Windows on. And I'm going to format this real quick. So let's go to Format. And then go to NTFS, and you need at least 8 gigabytes. This is FAT32. I'm just going to format NTFS, so that's fine. I think we'll change it over later on, but let's go to OK. And this is going to delete everything off this drive. And once we have it formatted, we want to go to just google.com, otherwise your search engine that you prefer, and type in install Windows 11. And once we have this open up, you can see the first download link, download Windows 11. Now under this page, Microsoft.com, let's go to create Windows 11 installation media and go to download now. And this is going to download, and it's only going to be like 20 megabytes. So it's going to be really small, and then we can open this up in File Explorer. So here's the media creation tool. Just double click on this, go to yes when this pops up. And then wait for this to open. So it's getting a few things ready. I'm going to close these down. And then I'm going to go down to agree or accept. Now you're going to want to select your drive you just plugged in. Now during the installation process, when you plug this into your computer next, uninstall or disable and disconnect your other drive. So you only have one drive in your computer. Otherwise, it might install window files onto your second or third drive. So it could create quite a bit of complications. So just disable your other drives and then go to next here, USB flash drive. Go to my removable drive I just plugged in and then go to next. And it's going to start downloading everything to this drive. I think it's like 10 gigabytes total. So you might need a little bit more than just 8 gigabytes. So it's doing the download process, and it'll probably take me like 5 to 10 minutes to set this up. But the most important thing is once you install this on a computer, you're going to plug it in and restart your computer, and then it should automatically just pop up for you. You shouldn't have to do anything, and then it'll take you through the installation process, and it's quite easy from there. But the most important thing is to disconnect any other hard drive that you may have. Just install it on one hard drive and then plug in your drives later on once you have Windows 11 set up. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.